In this video, I will show you how to add Draw tab in Microsoft Excel. Click on File, Options. Now here click on Customize ribbon. In this list, you will see some tabs. So here you will see the option Draw. In this tab, you will see these options: Drawing Tools, Convert, Reply, and Close. So check this box. Then click on OK. Now click on this Draw tab. Now you can draw your drawing here. Now select any pen, color, and try to draw. It's useful if you want to add your signature. So this way you can add Draw tab in Microsoft Excel. And you want to remove this one. So same process, File, Options, Customize ribbon and unselect it. So now that tab is now removed. So thanks for watching.